Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can connect 2 or more boards in your monday.com workspace. For example, if you'd like to access tasks from one board through another board really quickly, it is very simple, guys. So let us guide you through this. Head over to monday.com, log into your account and select the workspace here. So let me go with this one for demonstration purposes. And below you see a list of all boards associated to given workspace. So let me go with that board here and connect it with that one below. This is how you can do it, guys. Click into the first board, and here in that overview, you may, for example, go through or go with a table overview, or click on that plus icon and convert your board into a Gantt chart or a chart calendar, and so on and so forth. I will go with a simple table like that, featuring various groups and tasks listed in these groups. So what you want to do is connect your second board through a separate column in your first board. To do that, click on that plus icon here on the right end of your list. Click on it, add column, and here under super useful, click into connect. And after that, click into select boards below and pick one or more of your boards in your workspace. Like, for example, that one or that one. By simply clicking into the checkbox to the left, you may add several of them if you like, or clear your selection. Let me go with this one here and confirm by clicking on connect boards here. After that, click on I'll do it later, unless you would like to create a mirror column. So what you want to do now, guys, is simply click into one of these cells to navigate to your tasks and to-do list from your second board and edit and customize these through that board. You may do it by simply clicking on one of these cells, and after that you'll be given access to all tasks that are associated and linked with your second board, like for example that one or that one. So let me give you proof of that, guys. If I head over to the second board, you will see indeed that there is that test task here listed. So indeed it has successfully worked. So if I click on that cell here, I will be given access to that task. Let me click on it, and here you may set, for example, a status for the given task, or priority, or due date, and manage your tasks through a separate board through that column. And that's how you connect 2 or more boards on monday.com. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.